Hi, I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks, and this is your 1-minute guide to accessing 2 different menu functions on your Pulsar device using this button, which is the menu or select button. The first one is your quick menu, and you get to that with a short tap on that select button. Tap the middle select button to toggle through the different functions. When you're on the function you want, use the far arrow button to increase and the near arrow button to decrease. And to close the quick menu, it's a long press on that select button, or you could just wait a little bit. Now for the main menu. The main menu is accessed on the same button, but this time it's a long press, just a couple of seconds. You've got 2 pages of functions to scroll through with the up and down arrow buttons. From here you select things by pressing the select button, and that same button also turns features on and off. And you move between options or dial up and down within a feature by tapping the arrow up and arrow down. And when you finish with the main menu again, it's a long press on that menu button, or you can wait a few seconds and it'll close down automatically. So those are the 2 menu functions you can access on that middle menu and select button with either a short or a long press. We've loads more 1-minute guides here at Thomas Jacks, and if you want to access them, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.